How to claim Binance KYC mystery box. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to claim the Binance KYC mystery box. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the Binance website on my computer. And when I'm in here, I need to click where it says register. Then I will need to provide the information that Binance wants me to. After I've created an account on Binance, then I will log into my account and I will be taken here. After that, I need to click where it says wallet and then click on overview. Then I need to scroll down and as you can see, here is the mystery box and I need to click right here. Now when I'm in here, I will need to click where it says click to reveal to claim the mystery box. So this is exactly how to claim Binance KYC mystery box. If this helped you out, then I would appreciate if you could leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm doing these kind of helpful videos every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.